Hi. I'm in Brisbane, Australia. It's the first day, and it's really stressful because I just found out that my uncle passed away when I was just about to board at LAX. So I'm pretty sad, and I'm far away from my family, and I don't know. Some of my friends are here, Belladonna and Bobby Starr, and some other girls from America, Roxy Giselle and Monique Alexander are here as well, and I guess I'm just going to try to have fun, and hopefully I will be able to see some sights in Australia a little bit, and hopefully meet a lot of fans and experience happiness a little bit. So the end.